What is Model Context Protocol? In the last video, we took a metaphor that it's like the English of AI world, the Lingua Franca, the language that virtually everyone understands and do their business operations in that. So what would happen in the past was that if AI agents had to communicate with other applications, like my agent has to talk with Google Sheets or Gmail or Google Slides, there were no common language between my agent and the application. Both of them had to place, for example, a Google Translate between them. We call them APIs. So they all of them had to place their APIs in order to connect with the agent. But now, Model Context Protocol has replaced those complexities. It now enables seamless communication between AI models, external tools, the applications that are people using in real time and gaining productivity with them. The databases, the large oceans of records and information, all of them now can communicate with AI agents because the language has been established, and that language is Model Context Protocol. So if now you want to talk with other applications, they also understand Model Context Protocol, the agent also understands that, and both of them can cooperate and talk in a seamless way.